Hi, I am Haven Andre Kipayuma from grade 4D. Today I am showing you guys how to make homemade pizza. So, in this vlog, you will learn how to make Hawaiian cheese pizza. So, here are the ingredients for this delicious pizza. So, first is the pizza crust, the pizza sauce, pineapples, or you can use any brand you like, ham, and grated cheese. Now let's start. Let's start making the pizza. Make sure your hands are clean, and if you want, you can use gloves. So now, let's get the pizza dough out, and then we will pour 1/2 cups of pizza sauce. Let's put it in there. Make sure you got the excess out. And then now you spread it around the pizza. Keep spreading until it sometimes covers the whole pizza. So now we're about to be done with the spreading part. So now we will add grated cheese. So now, after that, we have the grated cheese in. Now let's add our ham. Spread it. Ham. There, piece, and there we go. And now we add our pineapples, that it's Hawaiian. Okay, let's add it in. And then we add more. You can add more as you like. And then now you can grate, and then you can grate the cheese again. You can grate the cheese to your liking. Add as much as you want. That's all I want. So guys, this is the base. So this is the base of our pizza. Now let's get into baking it. I already preheated the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's bake this pizza for about 10 to 15 minutes. We have to be careful with this oven. Be careful taking the pizza out. And now we put the pizza inside and close the oven. So guys, the pizza is already in the oven. We'll see you guys later when it's ready. Guys, we are finally finished with our Hawaiian cheese pizza. Since this is a collaboration with math, I have to express fractions. So this is 1/2 of the pizza, meaning you have to cut it in the middle. And then 1/4 is you cut it by the middle but the other way. If you want to cut it by 8 slices, do it diagonal like this. And I thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed my vlog. I hope you enjoyed this Hawaiian cheese pizza with your families and friends. Bye-bye!